So, good morning everybody, Block Topic speaking. Today we're going to have another Bitcoin chart analysis, daily chart analysis. I'm going to show you, it will be interesting. So, yeah, you know my view of Bitcoin. Those were the last bull run peaks. WXY retracement move, it's a double zigzag. Why is it a double zigzag? I will blend in the picture here. You see it's a ABC, ABC, ABC move. Inside those ABC moves, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how I see it, with an ultimate low of maybe 6,000, 6.5. I'm not saying it will happen. I'm saying it could be. Yeah, it just could be. Just prepare for the worst. We can also turn around right here. Yeah, just let's get in a little deeper. You see those squares, the red and the green one. Those are the next levels in the short term. I can make this a little bigger. In the short term, what do I mean with short term? In the next month, so December, maybe January also. Yeah, because at the moment we're in the last wave, in the Y wave, which is the last ABC move, and at the moment we're in the A wave, in my opinion. This A wave also contains a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move, and in this it's complicated, I know. And in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move, we are in wave 2, and yeah, price levels for the short term, I can give you those price levels. I see Bitcoin going up in the second wave to about 18,350 to maybe 20,000. It's possible. It's also likely, in my opinion. I'm bullish at the moment about Bitcoin, but afterwards I'm not. After we reach this level and we don't manage to get even further above 20,000, I'm bearish. So you can see if we manage to get up 20,000, everything changes. And I think we might see a lot more upside for Bitcoin. If we reach this area and we drop below again, yeah, I'm bearish. I'm still bearish. Let's get into more detail. Yesterday I told you there were two options. Like, let's get into the 4 hours. This is too big. Too big. Let me scroll out. I'm sorry, it's laggy when I'm taking a video. Okay, perfect. Move. Okay, perfect. So there were two options. Blue option, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 retracement, minor retracement here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was option 1. This does not seem likely to me anymore. So I'm just going to eliminate it. Now option 2, in my opinion, this was option 2. I told you in the video, which I didn't think was more likely, but you see it happened, or at least it looks like it happened. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a retracement here in an ABC move. In my opinion, the retracement should be around 16,300 to 15,750. So how do I know those numbers? Let's have a look at this. Retracement to 0.382 level to 0.786 level. So this is the most likely how it could look. Let's get in a little deeper. And now it gets crazy, I'm sorry. Because all those Elliott waves also have small Elliott waves. Also, this is the ABC move. This ABC move is this ABC move, yeah. Inside we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already ABC. You can count it in two different options, yeah. This is one option. I'm going to show you the other one as well. And we also started, so now we're in wave 3 already. So I think the chart moved down here. It happened. I haven't done a video, but it happened. Now I think the chart will move somewhere in this area. It actually is already in this area, so it does not have to go any further. And then it will go down to this area, which it also doesn't have to get any further, yeah. And with that, we reach the orange area, and I think we will push back up again to this point, and then we will see further downside. I will get more into detail about this area when we reach this orange area. You can follow my Twitter. I will post it there. So all in all, I think we're gonna see 16,140 to 15,750. This level is really important to hold. If we don't hold this level, I told you before, I'm bearish. I'm bearish again, and we will see further downsides. But for now, I think Bitcoin's gonna reach over 18,300 to 20K. And yeah, so this is one option how to see it. The other option how to see it is if we count this one ABC and not this one. So this one ABC. So this would be just the first wave. So we have a higher retracement to the upside, 16,450, which in my opinion actually is a pretty good point to short up there, right? I'm not saying you should do it. In my opinion, it is. It's likely that we see more downside. We can also have a turn, like we can also, like this was the retracement. It's not likely. I think we will go back to this level, but it could happen. No, wrong. So the only thing is, if we count it the chart like this, we will see even further downside. So we will get to the lows of this yellow area, and yeah, that's actually the only difference before we see further downside, further upside. Like I imagine this to look like this, and all the way up to 18.3 to 20K. Yeah, so this is my chart. This is the same area I've showed you before, the yellow area I showed you before. This is where I think Bitcoin will head to. We found resistance up here, so this is where we have this waves or this waves until we reach wave 5. Wave 5 would be the break of this wave, and even though the break of this wave, I've drawn this white line which I think Bitcoin is really likely to find support. This area here is the area I told you we should not break, 15,750. Also this fib level, you see here, this fib level is really important. If we break this, we will see further downside. Yeah, pretty likely we will see further downside. I'm not saying, I can't say I'm sure, because I ain't sure. Yeah, so looking at Bitcoin at the bigger scale, this is a fib wedge, and Bitcoin, you see the confluence. Bitcoin moves inside this fib wedge. We drop here, we drop here, we move up here, we drop here, and I think the same thing will happen here. Bitcoin will move somewhere up here. We can get up to like, as I told you, 18K, 19K. If we get above 20K, I'm bullish again. But if we stay here, and we will stay here, Bitcoin will drop. Bitcoin will drop to levels like 9,300, maybe even 6,500. And I know many people of you don't believe this will happen, but let me show you why I think this also could be really likely. Yeah, you know this chart. If you follow me, you know this chart. Those are the last bull markets in the years. This is to 17, this is to 19, this is right now. Those lines are all parallel, those three lines. And Bitcoin, every time those lines crosses, Bitcoin finds the bottom. This one also here is the bottom. So this would happen in March, 14th of March, in my opinion. But this had to happen pretty fast right now. So I think maybe we have a delay, and Bitcoin will drop here, maybe a little later. So we see even lower lows, 6,000 to 5,000 range. And also not only here, also 2013, this happened. This is the same parallel line as they have. I just duplicated them. Also Bitcoin came back to this line in 2013. So since Bitcoin exists, I know it exists way longer, but since we have the bull market peaks, Bitcoin gets back to this line. So I would not know why, I wouldn't understand why Bitcoin wouldn't do it the same this year or this time. So yeah, this also is another chart which shows those fib levels also get a lot respected by Bitcoin. So as I told you, I think we can move up for now in the short term till December, till maybe 18K, like up here, maybe even up here. And this is 18,300, and I think when we break this fib level, we will see a lot more down. So we will go down to like the 12, 13K everybody's talking about. Oh, my chart's gone. Like the 12, 13K everyone is talking about. So yeah, this is actually how I see Bitcoin will behave. Just take care, and yeah, so that's actually all I had to say for now. If you like this video, if you want to see more, if you want to get more in detail, or if you have any questions, just write it in the comments. I'm happy to answer them all. Also, you should follow my Twitter for like updates, day or any trade updates. Yeah, I'm a lot more active on Twitter than on YouTube. On YouTube, I'll post 1 video a day, and yeah, thank you everybody for watching, and we see each other soon. Bye.